2024, WCA has over 20 Rubik's Cube sub-4 solves. These are European records, Asian records, and world records. The fastest official solve is 3:13, and everyone knows exactly what I'm gonna talk about, who will make the first sub-3 officially. In this video I'm gonna put forward 5 candidates for sub-3. They are Max Park, Wang, Kinski, Lugard, and the secret speedcuber you will learn about later. Max Park is the world record holder for 3x3 singles. He has only 2 sub-3 solves in his entire career, 3:13 and 3:63. That's not as many as the other guys on our list. That said, Max has 2 videos on his channel with home sub-3 records.
Yeah! Let's go! Baby! 298! Yeah! Let's go! New best on cam!
Can Max do the same thing in competition? Pretty much, but a lot of depends on luck. Wang is the world record holder for 3x3 average time, the youngest and fastest speedcuber in the world. He has the most sub-4 solves to his credit, namely 8. His solve style is amazing, no one can replicate it. On the world record average he beats all others by 0.4 seconds, which makes him unbeatable. And he proved it recently, with an Asian record of 3:47. All of which makes him a prime candidate for sub-3. Kinski holds the European 3x3 record 3:67. The fastest speedcuber from Europe won the European Championship in 2022.
But he came second in the last Euros. Improved from Worlds, not from Euros.
Has a very low average time of 12 attempts. He has 6 sub-4 solves in WCA history, which is only 2 less than Wang. I put him second on my list after Wang. Lugard holds the North American 3x3 record of 3:44. He did his second sub-4 last year, that was 3:95. Luke placed second at Nationals 2023, all of which makes me put Luke 4th on my list, behind Max Park. And now we move on to the secret speedcuber. It could be anyone. Matthew Hiroto, Ruhang Xu, Sikhyok Nam, anyone. The thing is, setting up a 3x3 single is very difficult. Every year it depends more and more on luck. Anybody can get lucky, just like it was for Yu Shengdu with his record of 3:47. This video was just my guesses, and you can post your own in the comments.